Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, to a new vlog. Today I've decided I want to speed clean the house. It's not like, it's not good. It's not good, let's be honest. I'm just finding that there's kind of little messes that have built up over a little while, and I kind of just want to really do a very quick clean. I'm talking like cleaning the whole house into 2 hours. I thought I'd show you guys because I don't know, I find these kind of videos really motivating and they get me wanting to just clean my house. So I thought I'd share it with you. I'm going to give you a quick little tour of the house and show you the current situation. So over here, we're in the kitchen and there's just stuff on the table, just bits and pieces. We've got Joel's gym bag down here. We've got stuff up here on the bench. We've just got like shoes left out. Coffee table, which is really old and yuck. It looks really dirty, but it's just old and wearing. But it needs a clean, needs a sweep and dust and everything. I'm not going to do anything outside, so I won't go there. We've got the bathroom in here, which, I've got to empty the bin. I want to mop the floors, replace the toilet rolls, give the bath a quick wipe down, clean the shelf up there. I've got stuff that I've left out on the bench here. I do want to clean my cupboards in here and organize them a bit if there's time, but at least they're kind of packed away. I would like to give the mirror a clean because can you see it's getting quite dirty? Out here in the kitchen again, we've got some dishes that need putting away, dishes that need washing. I want to wipe down the bench, wipe down the stove. As you can see, it's all oily and gross because we've been cooking the last few days and there's all this oil on the splashback up there. It looks really gross. I've got to put the rubbish out. I want to clean the fridge out. And then over here, I think I talked about that, but yeah, I want to do some dusting. I've got to sweep the floors down here. I've got stuff that's going to the op shop. I've got to put that in my car. This is my studio in here. Just, bits and pieces to go away. It's not as bad as it has been, let's be honest, but the stuff on the desk, I just want to give it like a proper clean and vacuum, make it look really tidy. Now, this room in here, I'm not even going to go there. So I'm just going to avoid that for now. Basically, that room in there is our spare room that's not being used at the moment. Eventually, it'll be a baby room, hopefully. But for now, it's just kind of storage and where we keep all our other stuff. And I'm going to allow myself to have that one room as like a messy room. I will try and organize it and tidy it up a bit if I can. Like if there's obvious things that are lying out that have a place and can go away, I will do that. But I'm going to allow myself to have the one messy room because we're still in the process of decluttering at the moment. So there's kind of things that I've got to like either put on eBay to sell or take to the op shop, and I kind of just need that one space where I can dump things and not have to worry about it. Coming in here, this is our bedroom. As you can see, just pillows, clothes everywhere. I've just got stuff that needs to be put away. Still got my suitcase out here from when I went to Canberra the other day. Now I'm gonna get stuck into work. I'm going to do it bit by bit, room by room. So I'm gonna start off with the kitchen and living space, move my way into the bathroom. So I'll do this whole half of the house first, and then I will go down the other end. And pretty much only have 2 hours today to get this done. So let's do it.
Running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. gone and I grew up, I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind.
The kitchen and living room, it's all nice and tidy. And we've got the table easily. I've just got to put those water bottles away. I wiped down the mirror. The fridge I haven't cleaned out, but I'm going to do that another day. I've wiped everything down, including the microwave, washed the stove, and I've put all the parts of the stove in here to soak. So I'm just going to let that soak a little bit longer. Wiped everything down. I put the dishes away, put the dishwasher I'm going to put on. Sorry, I haven't put it on yet. And then over here, I've swept and I've dusted and just tidied up. Generally, as you can see, the table is still really, still looks really gross. I don't like it. We're going to get rid of that really soon because it's very old. But the couch looks nice and tidy and the floors are clean. Over here is a bit of a problem. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. This is where all our internet router, is that what it's called? And cords and everything is. So I'm going to deal with that later, but I don't really know what to do with that now. But apart from that, everything is looking very nice and tidy. So we're going to move on to the bathroom. Oh gosh.
I woke up in the middle of the night.
Okay, so the bathroom is now done. Cleaned the toilet, wiped down the bath, wiped down the shelf and tidied that up there. I have to like properly clean the tiles. I'll do that another day. And I bought a new bin. So I thought that, ooh, I'm tripping over my tripod. I thought that looked a little bit better than the old wiry one that I had before. So the hallway is nice and tidy. Bedroom is nice and tidy. Don't mind the last few things on the floor, my laptop and charger. Isn't this just so much better? I love this shelf up here. This is my little happy zen corner with all my crystals and my Buddhas. So much better. So that is it for today's video for my speed clean with me vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's inspired you to go and clean your house or get your life in order. I find these videos really motivating, and I just find that when my house is tidy and decluttered that I'm just mentally less cluttered and so much better prepared to take on the day. So I love these kind of videos. I hope you do too. And yeah, thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.